Civic board again. I wanted to go ahead and do like a first and second gear pull. I know my car is slow, but still, it's pretty fun. Oh yeah, I also wanted to show you guys the auto start or remote start. I don't know if you could see that. It's by civic. It's pretty awesome. Yeah, I'll go ahead and show you guys. Alright, that's all there is to it. It's pretty awesome. If I wanted to, I could set it where it turns on, you know, past certain degrees of temperature, high and low. So, or start at a certain time. I mean, there's a lot of stuff to it. It's pretty awesome. It was only about, I think, like $300 retail for the kit. But it is great in the winter, you know, to warm it up, and in the summertime it's awesome too. You get the AC rolling pretty easy. So yeah, civic. Let me know what you guys think, and you ever seen a Honda with the remote start before? Alright, you guys ready to see a first and second gear pull from a dig? Let's do this.